In this Inflowave tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect all your clients' Inflowave accounts to Instagram with our platform. Super simple. Before we get started, I wanted to show you default settings. So if you're connecting a large quantity of accounts which are in the same industry or just share the same presets, this is the place. You can set up responding hours with the time zone, out of business hours by default. Sync account upon connection is basically downloading all the conversation history, which we can then use to train your AI assistant per that client. Account type will always be growth unless you're connecting your main agency Instagram account or you simply are one person team. Here you can select all your team members that will be assigned to manage that account. Here you can select any other AI agent, and here account groups. So if you're working with maybe a lot of med spas, then you'll give them that category. After that, super simple, you press connect Instagram. This is how you connect your Instagram account. Super simple. You will take that URL, you will paste it in the browser, give our officially approved application access to your account. Once you connect the accounts, you will be able to do bulk actions on those. You can sync, which is going to pull all the conversation history, check health. This is going to let us know if your account has any limitations, whether it's links, amount of messages, shadow bans, if it's disconnected, or any other issues. And you will automatically be informed of any of the issues via email or Slack channel. You can also export data, generate reports. Export data is really useful if you're testing sales scripts. Verify webhooks if you want to see if the accounts are all connected and good. Sometimes Meta is just going to randomly disconnect the accounts, in which case you're going to get alerted with our pretty cool feature. If we go to account settings, you will be able to set something called alerts per account. So for example, if you're an influencer and you're getting on average 100 messages in 1 hour and all of a sudden it drops to 2, then we are going to send you an email or Slack alert depending on the activity amount and your threshold. Super simple but super useful. The other options that we've got in here is, instead of having sub accounts like GoHighLevel, I decided to have sub account level be the industry, the niche, whatever you want. So you'll have the niche med spas, the niche automobile, whatever you want, and each account is going to have its own Stripe, its own Zoom, its own Calendly, its own phone and email and domain. So this is your sub account. That way you as an agency will have the ultimate view, ultimate master view of all the accounts in one place with the super smooth experience and give role-based access to your employees. Other than that, we've got super clean reporting tab and tasks. This is what the reporting looks like. You can do reports on the account's performance and also employees' performance. That includes setters and closers. In the individual accounts reporting tab, you will be able to select whether it's for growth or sales. You can select it to send it to yourself weekly, monthly, and you can also attach all the relevant clients' emails into here, and they'll be getting those emails as well. The next thing we've got is tasks for employees. You can just select an employee, give it a task, give it a title, description, priority, and then the category. And they'll be getting notifications right in here and in Slack if you set it up via workflows. In terms of comments, which is yet another thing to do, you will see all the comments from all the accounts in this place. You can respond directly in DMs or you can respond to the actual comments, but if you want to set it up automatically, it's in the workflows. I know it's a lot, but I'll move into workflows in the next tutorial.